This is a tutorial for users on using QERLIN Beamline real-time data processing and visualization. Essentially, you run this program called QERLIN Live, and there will be a user interface coming up. What you as a user needs to tell the program is where to look for the data saved during your experiments and where you want the program to output the final results to. All the others, including the dark image files, the parameters will be provided by Beamline staff and depends on the photon energy you use. After you put in your folder information, you can click Start, and the user interface will pop up with the 2D image display area. There will be the display of the processed raw image. The raw image is extremely noisy. Every 3 seconds, there will be a frame saved, and then will be processed display here. On the side, the integration along the excitation energy axis will give you a line shape of the so-called X-ray absorption PFY. The use of that is to tell you the data you are collecting actually makes sense, so you won't waste too much beam time to collect trash data. So now if I just drop a file into this folder that you tell the program to watch, just mimicking a real experiment, what you will see is the program detects there is a file saved and process and generate 20,000 clusters and identify 1,700 of them are real RIXS data. Those are technical details. Most users probably don't care much about those. So if I continue dropping more and more data files in here, just mimicking experiments with more data collected, what you will see is the program again detects the files, process, and update. You can use the auto scale or click it to turn it off. And then you can manually input a number to change the display scale so you can see the signal better. So after you are done with the experiments, like while it's still processing or not, it doesn't matter much. So, but if your experiments are done, you just need to click this stop button, and then the program will continue process all the files they detected, and after everything, every file is processed, there will be a new window pop up with so-called integrated density distribution histogram. That again shows you if your processing actually makes sense or something is seriously wrong. If you don't know what this is, just forget about it. This histogram, together with the clustering result and the final RIXS map, are all saved in the folder you told the program.